Alright, let's now focus on these two wardrobe closets. And typically, what we will see in houses are bedrooms will have a sliding door for their wardrobe closets. Okay, so to do a wardrobe closet sliding door, we will first um, create a opening here, and it could be 4 or 2 inches from the inside wall. Okay, so we can do like an offset of 2 inches, and just offset this and offset this. Okay, and then we need to lengthen this and make the opening using trim. Okay, we don't need this, so we're going to erase this and this one too. Alright, so once we have the opening, we're going to measure that. So we're going to do a distance measurement. From here to here is about 4'5". So that's 48. 48 plus 5 is about 53. Okay, so what you do, you want to round that off into the nearest whole number. Like if it's 53, well, you want it to be like 60. Okay, 60 inches, and half of 60 inches would be 30. So what you do is you make a door that's 30. So I'm going to do 30 tab 2, and we're going to copy that, or just move it first. Let's move it first to the corner here and copy that from this corner here. Oh, I didn't do a copy. So copy from this corner here, and if they overlap more than 2 inches, then you have to reduce this by maybe 2 inches again. So we're going to just reduce this. So select that and pull that back 2 inches, and this one too, pull that back 2 inches. Okay, and so that their overlap should be just that much, and all you have to do now is move this outer one closer to the first one, and that's your double doors, I mean sliding doors. Okay, so we just click this and copy that. Okay, so that's your sliding door, and you typically sometimes want to show this in the open position, so you're going to move this and slide it over a little bit by that much, and that's going to be your open position for your sliding door. We want to copy that on this side, so we can just simply mirror this whole option here. So we're going to do a mirror, we're going to select, and we're going to mirror it by the distance between these 2 points. We're going to again do a control right click midpoint between 2 points, and then simply mirror that this way, and then do your trim. So we're going to do a trim and then trim the opening. Okay. This one you can't trim, so you have to click this and then pull that back, and there you have it. You have sliding doors for your wardrobe closets and your linen closets.